In this video I will show you how to use AI for YouTube automation. So with YouTube automation, of course, you are creating videos. But the idea behind YouTube automation is that you don't do this yourself. So you can outsource this, but now you can also use AI. For example, you can use ChatGPT as a script writer, and then I will show you a website to use as a voiceover that actually sounds really good. Maybe even better than most voiceover artists. And I will also show you an AI editing software that could replace your video editor. So first let's create a script. You can do this by going to ChatGPT and then asking it for a script. So of course it depends on the video ID that you have. So I'm going to write a voice over script. Let's say this is your script. Then what you want to do is go ahead and copy this, paste it in a Google Doc or Word or whatever, and then remove all of the parts that should not be in the voiceover. Okay, so then when you have your script all done and caught up, you can go ahead and copy it again. And then this tool that I'm going to show you right now is really good for voiceovers. So go ahead and go to the website called 11 Labs. It's this website right here, 11labs.io. This is the best AI text-to-speech that I know. So first you will need to create your account. I've already done this, and you don't even need to pay to use this for just one video. You can get 10,000 characters per month for free. And then paste in your script. So now you can select a voice. Here you can listen to all of the voices. So find one you like and select it. Then here you can play around with the voice settings. So you have stability, clarity and similarity enhancement. So I'll keep it to the standard. Then click on generate, and then it will create your text-to-speech AI voice. Then once you've got your voiceover, what you need is your video. Search up this right here, voiceover to video, and then open this link, feed.io, voiceover video maker. Create a voiceover video. Then here upload your voiceover. Then it will automatically create a video for you right here. So then you can actually change the media that it uses, so the clips and everything. And they use royalty-free stock videos such as the ones you see right here. And they match it automatically to what is being said in the voiceover. So for example, if it's about confidence, it may show a confident person. Then once you are done, click on done right here. And then click on export video. Then you can go ahead and download it and upload it to your YouTube channel. So with this strategy, you replace a video script writer with ChatGPT, you replace a voiceover artist with 11 Labs, and you replace a video editor with feed.io. And these videos will actually be pretty good quality. So that's how you can use AI for YouTube automation. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and I will see you in the next video.